This year in Cambodia, Hope Worldwide is celebrating its 15th year of training medical professionals and providing free health care to the poor and needy. Over the past 12 months, Hope Worldwide has expanded its activities to include 6 additional medical centers, including a surgical center, a pediatric center, and a diagnostic center equipped with a new CT scan. This CT scan, funded by a U.S. government grant, is the only one in Cambodia that provides CT scans to the poor completely free of charge. Through Hope Worldwide, each day in Cambodia, more than 500 people receive high-quality health care, either free of charge or at an affordable cost that helps subsidize those who cannot pay. It is with this sustainable model that Hope Worldwide will begin to focus more of its efforts on addressing one of the most critical gaps in the country's healthcare system today, the area of women's health. Noon Set is 30 years old and lives in the province with her husband and 3-year-old son. Their home is about 48 miles from the capital city of Phnom Penh. Her husband, King, is a rice farmer. Until recently, Noon wove silk, which her husband would sell in the village. Last year, she noticed a painful lump in her breast. Despite receiving treatment from a traditional Cambodian healer, the pain grew worse. Tragically, when she visited a local hospital in her province, they failed to check her for cancer, and the mass continued to grow. As is often the case in Cambodia, the family was left with no choice but to sell everything. Their 2 rice fields, their cows, their silk weaving loom, in a desperate effort to find treatment for Noon. Noon was told about the SihanoukHosp Center of Hope in Phnom Penh and finally came to receive treatment. But for Noon, it is too late. Though surgeons removed the mass from her breast and have given her medicine for her pain, her prognosis is grim. And she is not alone. Many patients, like Noon, are young. But there is hope for women in Cambodia. Siden was diagnosed with cancer at the SihanoukHosp Center of Hope when she was just 25 years old and newly married. Though the doctors discovered that she had a rare form of cancer, Siden was fortunate. The cancer was caught early and diagnosed correctly, and Siden was able to receive life-saving surgery and a successful treatment plan. Now she is 30 and has given birth to 2 healthy children. Faith tells us that there can be many more stories like Siden's, stories of victory, stories of hope. For 15 years, the staff, volunteers, and supporters of the SihanoukHosp have been able to see miracles take place. And now, through the network of Hope Worldwide medical centers, even more Cambodians will have access to high-quality health care, providing accurate diagnoses and early and ongoing treatment for diseases like breast and cervical cancer, HIV, malaria, diabetes, and hypertension. By providing both affordable and free health care in the country, Hope Worldwide is paving the road to better health care for all Cambodians. It is your faith, your love, your hope, your prayers, and your support that help us give hope to women and families half a world away. Happy 20th anniversary from everyone in Cambodia. Akun Charan.